Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to make your Pinterest profile public on your PC with the latest updates. It's a straightforward process, but some of the recent changes to Pinterest's interface might make it a little confusing. So let's get started. First, head over to Pinterest.com and log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, look to the bottom left of your screen. You'll find a gear icon there. This is your gateway to the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Clicking the gear icon will take you directly to the settings page. Here, you'll find various options to manage your account preferences and privacy settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, look for profile visibility. Click on it to adjust who can see your profile and pins. Here you'll see the private profile option. To make your profile public, simply disable the private profile toggle. And that's it. Your Pinterest profile is now public, allowing anyone to view your boards and pins. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. If you're unable to toggle the switch and see a lock icon, it might be due to Pinterest's age restrictions. As of the latest update, only users 13 and older are allowed to have public accounts. If this is the case, you may need to verify your age with Pinterest to unlock all the settings. Also, remember that making your profile public is not enough to improve visibility. If your account was previously private, your boards and pins might still be in secret mode by default. To make your boards and pins visible, go to your home page and select the board you want to make public. Click on the three dots and then click the Edit Board feature. In the settings, find the option Keep this board secret. Simply untick it and save the settings. Now your board's pins are public and visible to all users and search engines. By following these steps, you can easily make your Pinterest profile public and ensure that your content is visible to everyone. Enjoy connecting with others and sharing your ideas on Pinterest.